Hello and welcome to my first tutorial. We are going to do a tutorial on how to make a fortune teller. Now the reason I am making this today is because I have heard that some people did not get the chance to learn this as a child, and it is one of my childhood favorites. So let's begin. First, you're going to need a square piece of paper. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and actually measure this out. This would be the best thing to do as you begin your fortune teller. So as we can see, this is exactly 12 inches, and on the other side, it is exactly 12 inches. So we're starting off with a square piece of paper. All right, now your first step is going to be folding the paper in half. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and we are going to fold it exactly in half this way. And we're going to make sure that we make a really, really good crease. First you're going to make one on this side, and then you're going to flip it over and make it on the other side as well. So we're making sure we get that really good crease. We want the fortune teller to have as much flexibility as possible. So now we're just going to flip. See, we have this line here, and this one is going horizontally. So now we're going to fold the paper vertically. And so we're going to fold it in half. Make sure it's exact. And then make sure you have a really, really good crease on this as well. So we're going to open that back up, and we're going to fold it the other way. Just like that again. So make sure that you really get that good crease. Sometimes it helps if you just take the back of your nail and you slide it just across the paper like that. Now if I open it, you can see now that we have 4 quadrants, and this is why you have a good crease, is so that you can make sure that you have all 4 quadrants. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold in each corner. So you're going to kind of make it look like an envelope is what it'll look like in the very end. So here we go. So we're going to fold in this corner. And make sure you make that really good crease again. We're going to go ahead and fold in the other corner. Right there. Good job. Okay. So now we're going to take this other corner and we're going to make sure we do all 4. Okay. Making sure we get that really, really, really good crease here. And fold it back in. As you can tell, this is probably going to be a little bit bigger of a fortune teller than yours will be. But you can really do it with any size. I did my first one with a 3x3 inch note card. This is a 12 by 12 piece of cardstock. And you can use whatever type of paper you would like. You don't have to use cardstock. You also don't have to use the note card. You could use notebook paper. You could also use printer paper, whatever is just nearby. Alright. So now you can kind of see that we have a square, and it has 4 different pieces, and they're each triangles instead of squares. So what we're going to do is now we're going to flip it over one more time, and as you can see there's like about an X, and it's creating 4 different triangles here. So now you're going to take the tip of this triangle and bring it into the center of our square. Just like so. Okay? And now we're going to do that with the other 3 sides that we have. So we're going to take this corner again, and we are going to bring it straight to the center. Just like so. Alright, and now we're going to bring it again to the center. Just bring that corner up. After this step, you should have 8 triangles. So there we go. Okay, So I don't know if you can tell, but we have 8 triangles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we are almost done. Now the next step is to actually fold this in half again. All we're doing here is we're just making sure that we can get our fingers into the pockets that we created on our very first step. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put one finger in this hole and your thumb in the other hole and just bring them together. Now on the other side you're going to put your pointer finger in this hole and your thumb in this hole. Now you should be able to bring all your fingers together and create a fortune teller. Very good. Now if you want to, you can write colors or numbers or names on each of these, and then you would spell, like if this is red, you do R-E-D. Then you'd look in the inside and there'd be numbers, maybe 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you'd say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you would also ask yourself which number you would like, and then you would go ahead and open up the fortune teller and it would give you your fortune. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a great day.